3D printing a board for the chess set. So this is not the start of it, it's been going for a little while. So I'll just show some progress as it gets a bit higher. More progress on the pawn. It's nearly halfway. Just more on the pawn. Still going. And almost there. Not long to go. And there's the finished piece. Just printing the bishop, as you can see. Just more on the bishop getting printed. Now this is the finished product, which is the bishop. Now all this I've just got to clean up and then she's finished. And that's the bishop all cleaned up. Also 3D printing some checkers. Checkerboard, chessboard. So we should be able to play checkers and chess on the same board. And the finished product of one of the checkers. Okay, this is the board I'm using for my chessboard and checkerboard. Now this is 12mm thick plywood and it's 1200mm by 1198mm square. So that's the board I'm going to use, but I'm going to also brace it up because this board's going to be to go outside as well, so otherwise it's just going to warp on me. So I'll show you what I'm going to do there. Now this is the timber I'm using to brace it with. It's a treated pine, but it's a dressed pine, and it's 31mm by 31mm square. And I've pre-cut the timber, so I'm going to brace it, 2 braces in the centre, and then I've just miter cut the corners. So I'll screw them down now, and we'll see what she looks like. The chessboard's now all braced up, so that's what she looks like. And she weighs, the total weight's probably about 14 kilograms. So now I've just got to paint it. Now I've just marked the board for all the squares, just with grey lead pencil. So they're 150mm square. Now all I've got to do is tape it up and paint all the squares, red, white and black. So I'll tape it up. Now I've taped up the whole board for ready to spray paint. Now I'm using gloss black and gloss white, but first I'm going to actually do the black, because I can't do every square. So I'll be black, 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 and then black, black, and so on. Then some I'll have to do black here after take the tape off. So it's a bit of like a jigsaw puzzle at the moment. So I'll do some blacks, then go back and do the other blacks. Now I've just painted 16 squares. I've still got a couple more black ones to go. It's all been taped up. So when that dries, I'll take all the tape off and do the other black. That's what she's looking like. And after painting all the squares, there's the black and white squares. Now I've painted the underneath of the chessboard a chalkboard black. As you can see, it's all black. And also I'm going to put some cabinet brackets or handles on, just so when I move it I can actually lift it properly. So I'm going to have one inside and then one on the outside, just so I can lift it up, because it's only going to go on the ground. The handles are now on, so now I can lift it up. Also I'm going to put Velcro all on the sides, or on the bottom, so because this board can go inside or outside, and because I've got hard flooring boards, this smooth loop won't scratch the flooring boards. But also, if you want to still put it outside, you can still use it. And this is adhesive on it, so I'm just going to go right around on it. So I'll put that on and I'll show you what it looks like. Now the Velcro's on, so it's nice and smooth and soft all around. And the checkers are actually 100 millimeters by 30 millimeters high. Now, just to let you know the size of all the pieces, now the king is actually 250 millimeters high, and all the bases are 100. But then the queen is 220. And the bishop is actually 220 as well. And then all the pawns are about 150 millimeters. Now the checkered board's down with all the checkers on, so that's what she looks like. Now this is the chess set all set up, ready to go. That's what she looks like. I'll show you what the pieces look like. And the black ones. Which I'll show you on the front side. So that's all done. Just thought I'd show you what the queen looks like in the original size. So this is the queen, obviously, and that's the queen there, and that's the king, and obviously to that size. So if I back off, there you can see. So that's the difference between the sizes. Now, this took me about 300 hours to actually print in the big version. The little versions are like 20 minutes, if that. Just to give you an idea of what they look like.